Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Nissan Rogue headlight bulb. This is a straightforward task you can do yourself with just a few basic items. First, make sure your vehicle is safely parked with the engine off. You will need a new bulb and possibly a small flathead screwdriver for the driver's side. Remember, always handle the new bulb by its base to prevent damage from skin oils. Now, let's get to the bulb. Pop open your hood and look behind the headlight assembly. For the passenger side, you should have direct access. If you are working on the driver's side, you might need to remove a plastic air intake duct. This usually involves prying out a few clips with a flathead screwdriver to create enough space to reach the bulb. With access clear, disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the bulb by pressing its small release tab and pulling it off. Next, gently twist the bulb's base about 1/4 turn counterclockwise to unlock it from the housing. Pull the old bulb straight out. Now, insert your new bulb, aligning its tabs, and twist it clockwise to secure it firmly in place. After installing the new bulb, reconnect the electrical connector until it clicks securely. Before closing everything up, turn on your vehicle's headlights to ensure the new bulb illuminates properly. Once confirmed, reattach any components you removed, like the air intake duct, making sure all clips and screws are fastened. You have successfully replaced your headlight bulb.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.